In this video, I will go over the code contained in the treasure controller script. This class only has a single variable, time passed. This is a float value, meaning a decimal number, and it is private, which means it can only be accessed by the object this script is attached to. In the start function, we set the time passed to an initial value of 0. Note that the F next to the 0 is needed to denote a float value. In the update function, we increment the value of time passed using the time class that is innate to Unity. If the time passed is greater than 1, we change our position to a random location on the screen using Unity's built-in random class. Lastly, for this script, we have the onTriggerExit 2D function. This is how we control collision with the player. When another object with a collider hits the treasure, the score is increased. Since the player is the only other object with a collider, this only occurs when the player touches the treasure. If we had other objects with colliders, we would need to specify that the other collider must be the player to increase score. And that's all for this code. Unity is full of helpful classes like time and random that can help you while scripting, and you can find out more about them in the Unity documentation.